As a child, I always wondered what paradise would look like until I landed in Ukraine. Ukraine is a beautiful country, just like the ones we see in panoramic landscapes, a place filled with scenic beauty and breathtaking wonderlands. One of the safest countries in the world, Ukraine is a marginally populated, nature loving nation. Choosing a university to pursue my dream and ambition was one of the hardest choices I made as a student. So, with proper analysis of each and every aspect, I made just the right choice. Bukovinian State Medical University. The university to have gotten the best results in medical screening test FMGE. Whether it be the study curriculum or be it the extracurricular learning experience, Bukovinian State Medical University lives up to its name for its distinguished results. The best part about BSMU's study pattern is individualized growth of each medical student. Students are divided in groups, each consisting 12 students, which makes it feasible for us to attend practical classes and get individual guidance from professors in each and every class. Students can access their study curriculum via our college Moodle website. The access to Moodle gives us individual interface to prepare for day-to-day college exams. We have the European GPA system in which we get grades in each class based on our knowledge and which are then uploaded on students' electronic register. The grades are easily accessible via passwords through which parents and our students stay updated, which makes it a student as well as parent friendly, transparent university. Each and every subject is taught with detailed explanations. Not only this, our teachers include questions from various Indian medical exams and textbooks. For us, we practice various surgical aspects to stay updated with the in-depth learning experience. Our university has a special simulation center to enhance our practical skills. It comprises all the advanced medical technologies and techniques for us so that we can replicate and practice with better precision and understanding. Not only academics, BSMU makes sure that their students are best in all curricular activities, which is why we have an entire sports department for us to show our athletic sides. To stay fit while we study is one of the most important aspects for us as a student. BSMU stands apart from other universities because it has its very own Indian Student Society. Our Indian Student Society is the biggest foreign students self-governing body which aims at promoting civic responsibility, leadership, scholarship, and human relations within the student body. It acts as a liaison to university administration when it becomes necessary for student issues to be addressed, providing a supportive and positive environment to help them grow and become a better human being in the future. My favorite part of this college life is the yearly cultural fest, which is organized by our own ISS. Such prestigious event is well celebrated and attended by our teachers and the heads of our university. The cultural event is celebrated every year with a wide variety of dance performances which are performed by students themselves. Such an event is of great importance when it comes to the representation of the country's culture. Celebrating festivals like Diwali, Garba, Vishu, Vaisakhi, Holi, Navratras, Eid, etc. keeps us connected to the homely feeling of being in our native country. Various langars are organized every year which mark the good work in the name of our gods. BSMU is the only university in Ukraine that has a separate boys and girls accommodation. Our hostels are under surveillance 24/7 by the hostel security guards. Our hostels are well equipped with fire alarm systems, heating systems, and entry is allowed only via hostel cards, providing utmost security to us students. Our city Chernivtsi is also known as Ukraine's Little Vienna because of its architectural qualities and cultural diversity. A city with its own vibe, Chernivtsi still continues to amaze me. From lakes to vast forest lands, this city has it all. People here are very amicable and fond of Indian culture. I have got a lot of Ukrainian friends who are always happy to help. The travel expenses and the cost of living in this city are quite affordable. There are quite a few shopping complexes that keep us updated with the latest European fashion trends. From top-rated brands to custom-made wardrobe, it's all here in Chernivtsi. The city is full of classic, multi-cuisine restaurants where we can spend our leisure time. A foodie's perfect place, this city is just the right combination of every culture, as it is. From Japan's sushi to the Indian parathas, we have it all in Chernivtsi. To me and all the BSMUs, BSMU is a home away from home. I don't fear future anymore because I have taken the best decision by choosing BSMU as a brick for building my medical career as a doctor. The ambience this college has given me cannot be expressed in words. The generosity of all the teachers has been more than anything I could ever ask for. Words could go on, but still I won't be able to thank enough the faculty of our deemed university, and of course the MD House for believing in me and providing me a platform to not only be a better doctor, but also a progressive supporting human being. Because in the end, all we ever aim for is to be a good human and to help us make this world a better place.